Hey there, this is Rishabh again. Welcome you again to the Pythonverse series. So this is video 2, and in the first video we discussed about the basics. In case you have landed to this video directly, I highly encourage that you just go through the first video. We talked about some very basics like what are the different types of variables and how exactly we can invoke the Python interpreter and so on. And this video is going to be very interesting. We are going to learn about how exactly we can execute Python code from a script, because that is something which we are going to do most of the times when we work on the real world applications. So yes, executing Python code as a script. So here are the steps, some very simple steps. The first thing which we need to do is we have to create a file with the .py extension. So for example, hello.py, and we have to add some code to it, and then we can execute it using the Python command and providing the name of the script, right? So let me follow these exact steps, and so here I go. I create a new file and I just call it my first script.py. You can name it anything, shouldn't matter. Then let me write some code. So in the coding world, it's a tradition to start things by hello world. So why don't we say hello Python, hello Python verse, or maybe welcome to Python verse to make it a bit more interesting. Welcome to Python verse. Interesting, just one line of code. Well, you can have, of course, more lines of code. In most real world applications that is going to be the case, but yeah, we are just learning to execute the script. So here, if now there is one thing which we need to observe. Currently I'm not in the same directory where my file is, so let me just do that first. I'll just move to the video 2 directory. If I do ls now, I can see that this is where my script is. And now I will just type Python and I will type my first script.py. I will hit enter, and yes, as you guys can see, we have welcome to Python verse. Amazing. So yes, and there's one more thing which I would like to talk about, because I think this would be the right time to talk about it. In VSCode, and I'm sure there are options for other editors as well in case you are using something else. There's a thing called as extensions, and when you are writing Python code, it's always good to install the Python extension. It's really helpful with code formatting and some other things. So let's do this. Let me just click on this one. So as you can see, it helps me with linting and debugging with a lot of things. It has been downloaded this much times, and if I can scroll this a bit, I'm not sure how I can do this, but it's okay. That's not the problem. Cool. I'll not do that, but yeah, this is something which you should install. This is really helpful when you are writing code in Python. So as you can see, I think we have this Python extension installed, and this really helps us a lot when doing the Python programming. Cool. So yes, in this video, I would say in this short and quick video, we learned about executing a Python script from the terminal and writing Python in file. So in most of the next videos, when we learn new concepts about Python, we are going to write most things in files only, because in most of the practical applications, that is what you're going to do. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.